Hey guys, let's make some chocolate jello pudding. This quick dessert is made in just 5 minutes, guys. The texture is velvety smooth and you don't want to resist this. Trust me, let's go. Okay, so we have this jello mix here. It's a chocolate flavor and my son was killing for this. I'm not too much of a sweet person, but you know when you have the children around, you gotta give it to them sometimes. So here, he just emptied the packet of the chocolate powder right up into here. And then we're going to use some ice cold milk. I'm using 1 cup of evaporated milk and 1 cup of 2% milk. Now, in my opinion, you can almost use any milk once it is very cold. So 2 cups of milk goes into here and he is going to stir it up. Now he's a left-hander, guys, and this is the most awkward position ever. I can't understand the left-hander person. It is always so, a little awkward for me, but for them, it's just good. So he is stirring it up here, and it was so much fun making this, guys. I'm telling you, this kitchen was bursting with laughter because of the way he was stirring it. I was so afraid that the pudding would have had a lot of lumps, but it turned out to not having any lumps. As you can see, he changed from left hand to right hand because it starts to thicken up. This is, oh my gosh, so cute. Change again from the right to the left hand, and he is going to make sure that he whips it up nicely. Thickens up. Get all of that lump out, guys. This is a pudding that you can make in just 5 minutes. All you have to do is just simply stir the ice cold milk into the pudding powder and allow to set before serving. I'm sure your family will love it. So as you can see, it thickens up here a lot. I'm going to take over at this point and I'm going to make sure that I clean the side of the bowl with a spatula and just to see if it has any lumps in it. As you can see, it is smooth and nice. Now I'm going to place a cling wrap over and leave it overnight. It's the next day. Of course, I place it in the refrigerator. So it's time for serving. I took my ice cream scoop and I'm going to fill the glasses. Guys, all you have to do is follow the instructions on the packet and you are done. All right? He is even so eager more than me to take this down, trust me. The only thing about this pudding is that it's a little too sweet for me since I'm not a sweet person. But guys, this is heaven. Top your pudding with any type of toppings of your choice. All right? I placed some cherries right over the top so that I can get a brighter presentation. And that's it, guys. Go give it a try. You're going to love it. This pudding is velvety, smooth, and sweet. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Enjoy. And don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my video.